Alrighty, so in today's video, we're gonna pull the gas tank, the pump. I've got all new parts coming. We're gonna replace pretty much everything, maybe some of the fuel lines, but not all of them, all the way up to the fuel filter. And hopefully we can get this thing running. Just a quick preview. I did order a brand new gas tank for this one, but unfortunately this thing was modified to take a different type of gas tank. We'll get to that in the video. And so we're gonna end up trying to clean this tank, see how that goes. And I'm gonna call a radiator shop later today, see how much they charge to clean a gas tank. It's gonna be more expensive than if you just cleaned it yourself. You can clean these things yourself, but I have a limited amount of time to work on things. If I can just drop it off to them when I'm going into town, pick it up when I'm going back into town. I don't go into town very often, and they can do it for, I don't know, 50 bucks, 100 bucks. It might be worth it versus trying to get a new tank or getting acid and trying to do all this stuff myself. I don't know. I am gonna try to clean it just to see what happens, but if it doesn't come out pristine how I want it, I'll call the radiator shop and we'll see what they say. But anyways, let's get working on it. Hopefully we can get it started and running by the end of this week. I'd love to start driving it around and see what else is wrong with it to see where we go from here. So that's it, let's get going. All right. Can I get down now? Ugh. That felt stuck. Smells like old fuel. So, yeah, what you think? You think that's gonna work? That is just not supposed to be that way. Oop. Oh, yeah, that's bad too. All right. Well, let's unhook this and get a better look. Come on, there. All right, well, pretty clear that this is bad. Lots of corrosion all over the pipes. The fuel pump was actually stuck to the tank at the bottom, so lots of old fuel in there. The strainer, or the sock as some of y'all call it, that's supposed to be there, just shattered into pieces as soon as I put this thing down. So I'm gonna clean this up, get that pump off, go get the new pump. Tank smells horrible. Maybe drain, clean it out. I don't really know what the process of cleaning a fuel tank is, so I'm gonna Google that and then we'll see. All right, so now I'm gonna just pull this little shield off of the fuel tank. I think there's a drain plug, then we'll drain it. And then I think I might pull this tank just because we've gone this far and I gotta wait on parts anyways. And then I gotta research how you clean these things. I don't know, never had to do it. My neighbor was saying you could take it somewhere and get it cleaned, but pretty sure we can do that yourself, right? A quick Google search says rednecks do it, so works for them. Probably work for us, right? All right, there we go. Told you, I hate working on cars. That stinks. That smells like varnish. So I'm not gonna sit under there. Let's let that drain and get on to other things. Oof. I definitely just got cancer. Well, I think I see a problem with this gas tank. On the original tank, you can see there's kind of like two holes or two punch outs where they could have put the fuel pump location. They moved it over on the other side. The original pump is on the right side. This one's on the left side. Inside the tank, there's like, I don't know what you would call it, but you know, there's a little barrier thing. Hopefully I can show you what it looks like. It'll pop up on camera. The fuel pump is supposed to sit down into that. This one is off-centered, so I don't think it's gonna actually sit down on that. It might sit next to it, but I'm pretty sure it's supposed to sit down inside of it. And then the fuel filler location is wrong. It's on the left side versus the right side of this tank. And with that irritating news, man, I thought I was gonna be able to kind of get close to getting this done today and then finish up this weekend because the rest of the parts should be here tomorrow. So this isn't gonna get done anytime soon and Thanksgiving's next week. So maybe I'm just gonna cut this video short and we'll do a part 2 once everything comes in. This isn't really gonna get worked on. So that's a bummer. All right, anyways, stay tuned to figure out what happened to the rest of this. That sucks.